Hi, my name is Chris Horton at MarineMax in Pensacola, Florida at the Bahia Mar Marina, and today I'm on a 2018 Sea Pro 228. Overall length is 22 feet 8 inches. As you'll notice, this has stainless steel rocker switches, digital gauges, trim tabs with trim tab indicator switch, has a Simrad Go 5 combination GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, a Fusion stereo, tilt hydraulic steering, powder coated T-top, plenty of room on the deck moving forward, lockable rod storage, moving towards the stern, you'll see the leaning post. Jump seats and dual live wells. It's powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke with a 3-year corrosion warranty. If you have any questions, please call us at 850-477-1112.